Kurdistan is Shirin. It's very sweet. It's a sweet place. We have our food, our colorful attire, and our wildlife and nature, and this change of seasons and the mentality. Everything is just so Shirin from Nodos. And so we don't lack anything. There is depth there. It's rich. And all that we need to do is to let go of fear and mistrust and kind of let everyone be in their space, and we'll have that world, which is Kurdistani Shirin.
What
Right.
Kurdistan do you want to create through your music, your activism, your presence, and what kind of worlds are you imagining now, especially as the kind of pressures that you face are changing? What kind of world do you wish that it would create?
That's such a beautiful question. And I think I would need all day and all night to answer this question. But as an elevator pitch, I would say we have so much to offer culturally and historically. And I don't think we need more than we have, but we need to see all the various talents, and we should stop fearing one another. I feel like when war comes to an area, to a region, there's so much mistrust that happens, and people, it takes so much time for people to trust one another again. And I think we have all the necessary creativity and innovations and people who are thinkers and challenge minds, and it's all here. What I would love to see is more equality, where there's more, it's more inclusive, and where I can see women of all ages thrive, and where everywhere, like from the workplace to going to the bazaar, that can be a safe space for women to exist and for their ideas to be welcomed. I think the moment we truly embrace this, not by ticking a box as an NGO or as governmental entities, like, oh yeah, we have some projects who are embracing these women and their projects, but it should be everyone based on their um, talent and hard work, and how it has input to a certain area, like it's on my city, Soleimani, or is it Erbil or Duhok, or the whole region here in Kurdistan. I would just love to see more embracement of more of our women. And I think that will be more than enough for us to thrive and to become truly us, which is to me